Chicken Run Dawn of the Nugget, man. I've been waiting for a trailer for this. So, I think I watched the original when I was little. I don't remember the whole thing. I remember parts of it, but I'm willing to go back and actually watch it because in my eyes, I haven't seen it. You know what I mean? Like, there's a lot of movies like that for me. Like, in my eyes, I haven't seen, even though I probably saw them when I was little, you know, that I don't remember, you know. But I'm excited for this, so let's watch it, man.
Last time we broke out of a chicken fast. Well, this time.
Well, this actually looks good. Like, the animation looks a lot better, you know.
We're breaking in.
23 years later, you know.
It's an impossible mission.
I'm not a huge fan of this, like, Wallace and Gromit animation. Not a huge fan of it. But like I said, 23 years later looks a lot better, you know.
And the laser-guided exploding ducks. That place is impenetrable. Yeah, and you can't get in neither.
I'm in.
Okay, everyone.
I'm in.
It's go time.
It's all right. I went before we left.
Now you've had the appetizer.
She's alive.
Time for the main course. It's her.
She's alive with this, man.
Welcome to the future.
I'm there. I'm watching it. Expect my review. Expect my review, man. I really do need to go back and watch the first one, but I have a while till this one. You know, go see Wonka first though, because Wonka's the same day. Well, probably see it that Thursday the 14th. You know, because I always do it early. But we'll have to see, man. We'll have to see. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll talk to y'all later.